And today in this video I will show you how to install Infinix OS Android 10 GSI Rom in any Project Treble mobile. So in this video I will also give you the complete review of the GSI Rom. So please watch this video completely to install this GSI Rom properly in your mobile. So if you are new to my channel, then I suggest you to subscribe my channel because this kind of videos I daily upload. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to power off your mobile and go into TWRP recovery to install the GSI Rom. Now first of all, we have to go click on advanced reboot and click on recovery to go into TWRP recovery. The download link of the GSI ROM in the description box. You can download easily. And the one thing I tell you that this ROM is beast and you can install this GSI ROM in your mobile. And now I in the review in the next video I will also give you the review. First of all, you have to click on the wipe button and click on format data, because format data will wipe all of your apps, backups and pictures, video, media and remove encryption of Windows storage. That's why we have to write yes to install this GSI ROM properly in our mobile. You can see this. You have to write yes and click on tick button and we are good to go. Now just we have to click on reboot button and go and click on recovery button. Now after that we have to click on wipe button again. Just 1 minute, I will show you. Now we have to click on wipe button again and click on the and swipe to factory reset. Can this done? And now again click on wipe button and click on advanced wipe, and you have to select just Delvic system data and cache Delvic system data and cache, and you have to swipe to wipe. This will erase your all Delvic system data and cache data and memory. Now just we have to click on install button and select storage where you copy your files. I already copying the SD card, that's why I select SD card and click on OK and click on install image, because we install the image file of Infinix OS, and click on the folder where copy of files, custom ROM folder, and now you have to just click on the system.image file. This is the Infinix OS GSI ROM. Now you have to click on system image and you have to swipe to confirm flash. This will take some time, and you have to not click any button until the ROM is installed. Flashing takes some time. You can see the flashing system image. After that you have to install the GFs separately, because this ROM is not pixel ROM, that's why. Now you can see this image flash completed. Now just you have to go back again and click on install button, and you have to install the GFs. Because my architecture is ARM32, that's why I install the ARM GFs. If your architecture is ARM64, then you will install the ARM64 GFs, and that's why the download link of the GFs is also given in the description. So you have to select this OpenGS ARM 10 Pico and click to install. Swipe to install. As you can see this, if you get this error code 70, that then you have to follow these steps. If your GFs installed properly, then you have to just click on reboot system. Now just we get this error 70. Now we have to go back, because GF size is big, then that's why we have to resize the GFs, and we have to click on the wipe button and click on advanced wipe, and you have to just select system. and click on repair or change file system, and then click on resize file system. You can see this. Now you have to swipe to resize, and you can see the resizing done. And just we have to now just we have to install the GFs, and you can see this. Now the GFs take some time, 1 to 2 minutes. After that we have to click on reboot system, and we are good to go. I hope you like my videos, and thank you for supporting me. And I will also give you the reviews of other GSI ROMs that's stable, and you can install in any you can install in any Project Treble mobile. So stay tuned. Now you can see this will take some time. As you can see, the performing system space, installing GFs. Now you can see this update partition done. Now just you have to click on reboot system, and we are good to go. You can see this will take some time. See, this Ancient OS GSI ROM is properly installed in our mobile, and now you have to watch this review video properly to know that how much stable this ROM are. So just now see this video. I will give you the complete review of the GSI ROM. Now first of all, I will show you the Android version of this ROM and then other features of this ROM. And one thing I tell you that this ROM is beast, and if you want more customization in your mobile, then you will install the GSI ROM, because this ROM is 100% stable and you can use as your daily driver this ROM, and very well this ROM is. Now first of all, I will show the Android version this ROM. As you can see, this Android version of this GSI ROM is Android version 10, and the security patch level of this GSI ROM is April 5, 2020. You can see this latest build, and then Ancient OS, the version is 3.5, Ancient OS 3.5. And now I will show you the features of this ROM. This ROM has more features than any other GSI ROM, because you can see this, you can customize everything in your mobile. Now first of all, I will show the status bar. In status bar you can get different options, like status bar icon you can change. You can enable or disable status bar icon, and you can see this in status bar. You can customize according to your mobile and features you. And now VoLTE icon is also there, and the 4G icon you can also enable 4G icon, small mobile type icon, clock setting you can also customize the clock setting, left right. You can see this, the clock is on left side now, and you can also customize the date position, left or right. Now I will see you right, and store and you can also adjust the font, left or right time. Date format, you can also customize the date from according to, you can see this. Now I will change Saturday 5/2030. As you can see, this date is also changed in now. You can see this 30 May 2020. Now I change on the date format is just, as you can see this. You can customize everything according to your mobile. You can also change the color of the date. One, you can see this. Now I green, change the green color. You can see this. Now the date is green color. Now you can also customize the in status bar. You can also customize the status bar logo, initial logo, left or right. You can see this is on left side, initial logo, and QS status enabled. You can also adjust the QS battery style, battery bar, navigation bar. You can also adjust this. Now you change status bar. You can see this is on right side. Now 1 minute to change the color, and the color is where battery bar icon is, sorry. Now it's not here. You can also adjust the traffic monitor according to your mobile. This ROM is 100% stable. As you can see this, you can customize everything in your mobile. Ambient display is also working perfectly in this ROM. Pocket hand wave gestures. You can see this hand wave gesture is also working perfectly in this ROM. As you can see this. And pocket detection is also level, battery level. You can customize everything according to your mobile. Themes, you can get different themes. Can show you can see this default, carrier, college icon. You can change different icons, themes, and also the and this ancient OS GSI Rom has similar to One UI, and because theme wise and other features like One UI, I can show you. You can see this similar to One UI of Samsung, One UI 201, and sound is also working in this ROM. Now I will show you the battery. You can also adjust the smart charging, where you stop your charging is 90%. I also enable it, and you can see these power menus. Also you can adjust advanced reboot. You can see this in reboot, the mobile is reboot. You can see this. You can see this reboot is also working perfectly. Advanced reboot is also there. Screenshot, you can also enable screenshot sliding three fingers down. As you can see this screenshot is also working. And more customization, you can do different customization in your mobile, and also the performance of this ROM is also very excellent. Now I will show you the lock screen. In lock screen you can also adjust the clock style, full Asians digital. As I can show you, you can see this normal font, and fingerprint integration, vibration, lock screen, charging info. You can get this feature also, and you can also change the date font style, date style also change. Now I can show you. As you can see, this Saturday my 30 is changed. Font, you can also get different customization. Now I will show you the, and in themes setting, you can get this theme room. You can also adjust according to your preferences, that which color you like. And the system wide Asian maker, this, as you can see this, now the color is red. As you can see this, and is similar to One UI customization, and also the features, and also the font style. Also you get dark theme is also 100% stable. As you can see, this night light is also working perfectly in this ROM, and the brightness is also very good, because the you can see this brightness is also very high. you cannot find in any GSI ROM, because brightness is also very good. As you can see this, also hotspot is also working perfectly in this ROM. Now in camera, the camera setting is also very good. You can see this one UI, show space bar above set action, easier to use with one hand. You can also use one hand this UI, because this is very similar to one UI, but the feature is is also good. You can use button. You can also change the button, volume rockers, playback control. When the screen is off, long pressing the volume key will see music tracks. Playback controls, you can also adjust the song in volume keys. Notification, you can also adjust the notification for close notification, replace clear all text. Battery fully charged notification is also there. Hide smart replies, head ups, emission light. You can see the edge lighting also working perfectly in this ROM. You can also change the color of the emission light, edge lighting, and vibrate on contact, or different features you can get in this ROM. You cannot find in any other GSI ROM. And because this ROM is 100% stable, that's why I recommended you to install this GSI ROM than other GSI ROMs. Now I can show you the battery life. You can see this last full charge 11 hours ago, and screen uses full time is 1 hour 47 minutes, and the battery is now about 1 day 5 hours left. Battery performance is also very good in this GSI ROM. And in display setting, you can adjust the alarm sound, dial pad tunes, screen lock sound. This is the basic setting you can find any ROM, but ancient features you cannot find in any GSI ROM. You can see this. You can see this customization. Back button is also working perfectly in this ROM. You can see this multitasking button is also working perfectly in this ROM. Now night light is off, dark themes also off. Now I will show you the camera setting. Now I will show you the camera features in this camera. Ancient OS, the camera is working perfectly, and you also get different features you cannot find in a GSI ROM, because in other GSI ROMs camera is just simple, and you get not different features like night mode, portrait, or night and other features, white balance. Now I will show you the features of these cameras. As you can see, this HDR mode is also 1 minute. Now you can see this HDR mode is also available, action mode is also available, barcode is also there, beach mode, candlelight mode, fireworks, landscape, night mode is also there, night portrait is also here, party mode, portrait, snow mode. You get different modes, and you cannot find in GSI ROM, in also working perfectly. Now I can show you. As you can see, this camera is working perfectly. As you can see, this camera is working perfectly, and HDR is also here, action mode, barcode, beach light. You can also adjust the picture size, high quality, counter time, shutter sound, bright screen, anti. Now you can see the anti-bending also there. Brightness, bright skin, you can also adjust the bright skin. Now on, you can see the bright skin is also there, and the screen is, and the camera is now bright. So I hope you like my video. And if you like my video, I suggest you subscribe my channel, and more videos coming soon, so stay tuned. And please give 1000 like to this video. And okay, bye, I will see you in the next video.